I've always gone around taking photos of flowers and plants and nature, not knowing at all what they are. And so now with my iPhone 16, I can get the names of some plants. My phone is making me more clever, that's for sure. Get away from my property, filthy human. I wish I knew more to say about the plants that I'm looking at. But I don't. Work on a garden, then I guess it's really worth it. Good morning.
Yes, morning.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good.
We like watching our own videos on the YouTube channel because it acts really kind of as like a family history and a family journal. All of our adventures, all of the sights, all of the experiences that we have. So it's a great family history resource for us. All right, good morning everyone. We're in Kuantan, Malaysia on this beautiful sunny morning, and we're starting off at Larang Bukit Ubi 55. And today I'm going on a little nature walk. I'm going to see what we can find. And right here, look at the beginning of the street. There is this beautiful tree. Now, I reckon this is a bonsai tree, but I'm not exactly sure because I think it's been growing since I saw it here a year ago. So I don't know what exactly to call it and whether it's classed as bonsai. Looks absolutely beautiful though, doesn't it? Well, let's turn this around for a second. Yeah. I'm not going to pretend that I know everything about nature and the names of everything, because I don't. But I do love to look at nature. And here's another one, right here. I have no idea what these are, but they are so gorgeous. And they're actually growing out of the aloe vera plant. That's really cool. So perhaps an aloe vera plant, if you grow it long enough, it kind of blooms. That's what it looks like from there, but hey. Nice. And here we have this brilliant plant that I used to have many years ago. And they look like little birds, right? Look. Right there, it looks like a little bird. Look at them. Isn't that so neat? There's a cute little dog. Hi. Nice big conifer there. All right, let's turn down this road because I can already see something quite nice down here. Here we go. We have these nice pink and yellow flowers beside this. They look so cool. Okay, that's nice. There's so much beauty if you just open your eyes and have a look around. And these things are quite nice as well. Yeah. Well, you know what? I admire anyone who can grow plants and flowers and trees and keep a garden, because we've tried so many times and it goes well for a few months or so. Oh, look at the blue of the sky. That's just gorgeous. That looks fabulous, doesn't it? It goes well for a month or so, and then they just start dying. There's another really nice little tree. They just start dying, and I don't know why, because we water our plants, we feed them with fertilizer, we give them sunlight, and for some reason it just never seems to work out. Now these people here have got a really nice garden at the front of their house. Oops, not quite focusing properly. There we go. There we are, that's better. So I admire people who live in a house like this. Look at all the plants, and they're all thriving. And they're all growing so nicely. Let's try and focus that. There we are. Great stuff. And so when we used to keep our plants on our balcony in our old place, before long they would end up having these little, how do we say, like little white caterpillars, very small ones, growing all over the plant, and they would leave a load of white stuff behind, and the plant would just start slowly dying as though it's being choked of life by these things. And you know, we tried all kinds of stuff, but I guess it just wasn't to be. They're really nice. And look at this lovely leaf here. So much diversity in nature, isn't there? So many different things. But look at this tree and how tall it's growing. Let's just take you up to this one. Up we go. Look at that. That's so cool. Okay. Now, I've just spotted something over here. Well, first of all, I spotted a bird. Do you see it? Yeah. Secondly, look at that fruit growing. I'm not sure what that is. It's it doesn't look like a durian to me. It doesn't look like the right shape or kind of the right colour. It's pretty spiky. I know that just beside it, this is the papaya plant. This is the papaya plant, and that's got a load of papayas growing. But as for this one, I'm really not sure what that is. If anyone knows, you can leave me a comment. All right. There's a little stream here. And it continues over this way. Yep. All right. Oh, look at these. Fabulous. Let's just zoom in on these. Try and focus in. There we go. So I came around taking some pictures yesterday, and I realized that on my iPhone 16, when I take a photo, if I just swipe up on the photo, it gives some information about the picture I took. Look at all these papayas. Wow. Well, they're not going to go hungry if they like papaya. I'm sure they do. But yeah, anyway, if I swipe up on a picture, let's say a picture of a plant, if my phone decides that it knows what the plant is, hold on a sec. If my phone decides that it knows what the plant is, it will come up with the name of the plant and it will offer some pictures so that you can compare and see if it's the same. And so I've always gone around taking photos of flowers and plants and nature, not knowing at all what they are and what's the proper name of them. And so now with my iPhone 16, I can get the names of some plants, which I think is so amazing. So my phone is making me more clever, that's for sure. I'm taking this opportunity this morning to do my morning walk and get some early morning sun. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now, so the sun is still good. Probably going to spend 20 minutes to half an hour walking around. Let's show you what we got here. That's quite a satisfying plant. The sun is pretty bright this morning. I can barely see the screen of my phone right now. I'm hoping this is coming out good. And of course, these are the banana trees or plants right there as well. So they'll grow bananas. Oh yeah, man, sorry, that was a huge fly just came buzzing around me. Well, they started painting this lamppost blue at the bottom. Not sure why. We'll see later what happens with that. Right, let's continue walking down this way. And see what else we can find in Bukit Ubi and Kuantan. So, this is the passion fruit. The passion fruit plant here. It's actually a weed and it chokes the life out of other plants. It needs to be cut down, really. But this one is, yeah, you can see it's gone quite long and it's slowly going to choke and kill this plant here, which is kind of sad. No matter how beautiful this looks, don't be deceived. Yeah, it's a bad one. You've got really nice little flowers on here as well. Is that focused? I hope it is. Yeah. All right. Wow, it's really overgrowing quite wildly in these people's backyard here. If that's what they like, though, they like all the plants and the nature, and they're going to have a load of bugs and everything in the garden and around the house. If that's what they like, then good for them. Look at the trees. So awesome. All right, let's move along. I think we'll go down this way. These are some relatively new, like 3-story houses that have been built here. Used to just be nothing here. Look at that. Gonna need to zoom out to fit them all in the picture here. And the one at the end, let me show you the one at the end here. I mean, these houses are so big, there's no way you'd be able to clean a house of this size, isn't it? Without having a maid or two to help you out. But look at this one at the end here. It's different to these ones. Look at that. I'm just going to go to the normal zoom. Look, it fills the whole picture. And look at that roof. My goodness. That is one hell of a roof. Holy cow. Who's going to buy a house like that? All right, back to the nature. That's what we're here for today. Some more of these pink flowers I saw just a few minutes ago down the road. And this is a popular plant that we see here in Malaysia with these red buds. Let's just get the focus right. I'm not sure why, but my phone camera, the focus is going crazy, and anytime I touch it to focus, it focuses on that and then it doesn't auto focus when I go back to the normal viewing. So we need a lot of intervention to make this video work. All right, this is the park. I'm not sure how popular this park is anymore. It's got a slide, seesaws, swing, one swing. Yeah, it's not the best. This plant or tree or whatever you call it has really overgrown. Out of control, that one is. Out of control. Okay, we're going to go down this road and we're going to take a look down here. So we're in Bukit Ubi in Kuantan, Malaysia. Today is Thursday the 8th of May. Here's some more small, intricate white flowers. Some nice red ones. Good, good. So again, these lovely pink flowers. Look at the trunk of the tree. It's not really a tree, is it? It's a plant. It looks so cool. Okay. Very nice. I'm right beside the rubbish bins. It's a bit smelly, so I'm going to move along. It's a bit of... Oh, yo. Okay, boys. A little bit of phlegm this morning. Please excuse that. Oh, look at that. There was a beautiful bird on the plant there. That might have been a sunbird, I'm not sure. Or in the family of sunbirds. Very nice. Okay. And here's another new area over here. These new houses that are being built. We're not going to find much nature over there yet, but that's a whole brand new street there. Okay, let's cross the road. And soon I'm going to show you, I've just spotted them down the road, my favourite ever trees. I love them so much, I still don't know what they're called. There's some more flowers there. So you'll be able to see them. They're right there. Let's have a zoom. Dun, dun, dun. They're my favourite trees. I just love the colour of them, the shape of them, the way they look. If you know what they're called, please say something in the comments and let me know. Or maybe I should take a picture and try out my phone, my iPhone 16, like I explained earlier, and see if it comes up with an answer for me. So I think I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to take a picture of them and see what comes up. Well, it turns out my phone doesn't know the name of this tree. Now, as beautiful as this tree is, oh man, I so want one of these trees. As beautiful as it is, look what it does if you park your car under the tree. Look at all the dried up, shriveled leaves that have fallen onto this car. And I'm not sure how long this car has been parking here because it's looking pretty bad. And it's also beat up a bit as well. It's probably been there for a while. Man, these trees are so cool. I say I want one, but I don't really have a garden. And without a garden, there's nowhere to put a tree, is there? That's the only thing. Who knows? Who knows? One day I may have a house with a garden. I might be able to grow plants and flowers and trees that don't die on me. And I may be able to get myself one of these beauties. Okay, we're going to start heading back. This is just a quick little walk, 20 to 30 minute walk in the morning around Bukit Ubi in Kuantan. And we'll be heading back now down a different road and then back around to where we started. Let's have a zoom. I wish I knew more to say about the plants that I'm looking at, but I don't. So I'm just sharing them with you. And then if you know more than me, you'll know exactly what we're looking at. Now here's another one of these little ones that grow in a pot. It's been decorated with some plastic oranges there. That's a good Chinese thing to do. That looks really nice. Yeah. Lovely. Lovely. I mean, if you've got the time and you've got the energy to work on a garden, then I guess it's really worth it. Good morning.
Yes, morning.
Hi, how are you? That's really nice. Okay. I think that lady just now, I think she was a little bit suspicious of me why I'm pointing my phone towards her front yard, but then as I kept walking and said hello to her, she kind of brightened up a bit and she saw I'm just videoing the plants, I think. Look at these here. Very nice. So there are quite a few flower nurseries around in Kuantan. We drive past them now and again. So there are plenty of places to go and buy new plants, new flowers, little trees. And I think it's really nice, it's really cute when people just arrange some stuff at the front of their house like this here. It's just beautiful, isn't it? And it enhances the atmosphere and the aura of the house and of your property. Look at that. Like an old gnarled trunk that looks so cool. Yeah. I'm getting a bit closer to that. Yeah. Beautiful. All right, we're going to head around this road now to the left. It's just going to take us around back to where we started. These tall trees are like soldiers standing at the side of the road, aren't they? Look at that, guarding the side wall of this corner lot. It's pretty cool. When they look out their windows up there, they'll get a glimpse of these great trees standing as guards to their house. How awesome is that? Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Oh dear. I'm only walking past your house. I'm not doing anything to you, doggy. You know. He's not happy that I'm walking past his gate. Get away from my property, filthy human. Okay, we're almost done. Let's zoom you out a bit here. There we go. Now we can see everything. Well, it's my recommendation that if you can in the mornings, go out for a little walk. It's a good exercise. Walking is absolutely awesome for you. And you also get to see nature, which is great for your eyes and great for your mind and great for your soul. Look at this beast of a house. And I'm quite sure they will make you happy as well. I think I should be pointing this at me. It'll make you happy to get some sunshine, see the nature, see the greenery, see the beauty, have a bit of exercise at the same time. Yeah. And then you can also take videos like this one and document it for your future viewing pleasure. Yeah. That's if you ever actually watch your videos back again. We do. I mean, we try to, not all of them, but we like watching our own videos on the YouTube channel because it acts really kind of as like a family history and a family journal. All of our adventures, all of the sights, all of the experiences that we have are on videos on our YouTube channel. So it's a great family history resource for us. Okay. And we're now back on the same street that we started this nature walk on. So thanks very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. And maybe if you don't get the opportunity to go out walking in the mornings, well, you can at least do it by watching this video. Just getting a little appreciation of the beautiful nature and scenery that's all around us. Here's one final view. Is it focused? I think so. Let's try this. Let's go in. Really nice, huh? Very nice. All right, we're done. Thank you very much for watching Duncan's Family Channel. I really hope you enjoyed this nature walk. I absolutely love walking. I love going out. I don't do it anywhere near as much as I really should do. But yesterday and today I've been able to have this morning walk and it's very refreshing. Thanks for watching along. Please feel free to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.